Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Instagram update 2024, how to create New Year theme font on Instagram. So before you open your Instagram, you can try to update the app first. You can go to the Play Store or App Store and try to find the Instagram. Here we go. Instagram is there is an update on Instagram app. Just tap update in order to fix some issues, minor bugs, and also you can try new feature on Instagram. So it's only up to 8 megabyte, so we can wait the process. So here about this app, you can tap it, and the last update on Instagram is December 16, 2024. So you can update for free on Play Store or App Store. And here we go. Now after you update your Instagram, now you can tap open. Now you can create story first. And here we go. There is a phone option or phone feature at the top of your screen. Tap it, and this is the New Year phone. So you can try it on your Instagram story to create this New Year theme fonts. So here you can also try to give an filter or effect or animation like countdown, and done. So this is the New Year theme fonts. Feel free to try. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.